Hello, hello, hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Sana naalala niyo pa ako. Remy Ella to of Section 2, Part 79. Wishing you all the best at nakikisaya ako sa inyong lahat dyan. Sana kasama akong sumasayaw, kumakanta at nakikipaghalakhakan sa inyo. Super inggit here. I love you all. Enjoy at mabuhay, everybody.
Hello, batchmates! 1979, Milda to, Angeles, Section 2. Nandito ako sa Hong Kong, nagsiserve as a missionary sa Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And nakakainggit kayo, palagi kayong nagre-reunion. Sana maka-attend din ako one day sa next year. Ang tapos ng mission namin, July 2025. Sana makadaan kami sa Philippines bago kami bumalik sa Utah, USA. So, enjoy na lang kayo. Ingat kayo palagi. Maraming salamat. Love you all. Bye.
Hello, happy greetings from New Zealand. Today is Easter, so happy Easter to everyone, especially sa ating mga high school batch 1979. Okay, so Sheila asked me to create a message for you guys sa ating 45 years anniversary since we graduated from high school. And so it's Rick Benitez here. So I'm an architect practicing in New Zealand for the last 37 years. And so I'm about 79, Section 3. And so I guess we have to be thankful that we reached this age. I think most of us is above 60 now. So I think God will so bless us with so many blessings, and also all the achievements we had since high school. So whatever you do, I think live your life to the fullest, knowing that every day is a blessings, and it's a God's faithfulness to give us a good health and also a good friendship throughout the years. So I was there last Christmas after 18 years being away, and so I took a holiday with my family. And na-meet ko ngayon ating mga classmates na sila Sheila, some of the Golden Girls. Sorry, I don't mean anything to offend anyone. So I think we all know that we are all over 60. And I think I learned from Manila del Conde, senior citizens. So, so I guess my wish is to you guys just enjoy the celebration for the 45 years. I hope I can make it on the 50th. So, which is about 5 years from now, God willing. And masasabi ko lang, I think during our high school years, that's where our formative years to develop our, future career. So I think for me, I think the one thing that I can count as a blessing is I accidentally taken the drafting course during the third year and fourth year, and then I continue to university as an architecture. And then so I got a degree in architecture in Manila, and then after that, so I practiced an architect in the Philippines before migrated to New Zealand in 1986. No, so it's been a long time. So since then, I've been practicing here as a registered, or they call it licensed building practitioner for the last almost 37 years. So I think I own that probably opportunity to our alma mater, school alma mater, just as village. And we have so much fun. I think, probably they cannot say a word that, all our we call it, uh, ating kakulitan during high school. And so that's why when I catch up with Golden Girls last Christmas or New Year, they were surprised na, to be honest, ako yung pinakamakulita sa klase. But it's all been changed since then. I think we're all matured, when we reach university years. Yeah. So I think masasabi ko lang is just enjoy life and live your life to the fullest. And all those classmates that we already missed, or some what do you call this? Those people who are taken by the Lord is. I think in memory of them is we just continue our friendship as a high school batch 79. So all the best for you guys, and enjoy your celebration. So thank you. Bye.
Good morning. Hello, si Irisa Posadas po to, Section Sapphire. Happy anniversary po sa ating lahat, 45th anniversary. I wish I can be there, pero hindi talaga pwede. But maybe next time, sa 60th anniversary natin. Okay guys, have fun, enjoy. I wish I really can be there. Bye-bye.
Hello, batchmates. This is Nelda Galera from Section 3. I hope you still remember me. I was S3 on our CAT before. Anyway, unfortunately, I won't be able to attend our reunion. I hope everyone will have fun, and wishing you good health, okay? Take care. Hope to see you next time. Hopefully, next year, February, I'll be going to visit Philippines, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Have fun.
Hi everyone! Si Mary Ann Villanueva to ng Section 4, Batch 79. Kamusta kayong lahat? Sayang hindi ako naka-attend ng reunion. Na-miss ko talaga to. Pero hopefully next time makasama na ako para makita ko kayong lahat. Sana magkita-kita tayo. Sana please i-record nyo to. Sana i-live para mapanood ko naman at ma-witness ko kung gaano kayo kasaya. I love you all. God bless you. Ingat kayo palagi. Bye-bye.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Mitzi Vareda po ito ng Section 5, Sardonyx, Batch 79. Pasensya na po kung hindi po ako nakasalo sa inyong pagsasama-sama. Siguro po sa mga susunod na batches ay awa ng Diyos ako din po ay makakasama sa inyo. So, enjoy everybody and keep safe.
Hello everyone! I'm Carol Salcedo, Section 5, Sardonyx. Pasensya na kayo, hindi niyo ako makakasama for the second time reunion because of my work. Pero kung gagawin nyo ng August for the third time, okay lang. Pero imposible, di ba? Regards to all my friends, my batchmate in Section 5, and to all Batch 79, regards. Yun lang. Dahil namimiss ko kayong lahat, wala nga akong masabi masyado dahil miss ko na kayo. Lalong-lalo na yung mga classmate ko. Okay? Mag-happy kayo. Happy lang. Jamming. And contented na rin ako para sa inyo. Okay? Bye-bye. See you.
Hello everyone, I'm Emmanuel Reyes, Section 7. I would like to thank to all the organizer, all the officer of this event, and without you guys, this will not be possible. And again, thank you so much for all your dedication to helping others. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.
Hi po! How are you out there, peoples in the Philippines? Kamusta po kayo lahat? Siya nga po pala, baka hindi niyo po ako natatandaan. Ako po si Maria Teresa Tanyahura Ramos na po ngayon. Kamusta po ang mga ka-classmate ko dyan? I know, mag-i-enjoy kayo dyan ngayon. Nakakalungkot lang po kasi hindi ako naka-attend, kakaasar. Inggit ako to death. Nung kasi po na nandyan po ako last time, nung November 11 till February 3, nandyan po ako sa Pilipinas. So, hindi ko na-meet din yung mga iba kong classmate kasi naging busy po ako. Pasyal doon sa mga dati kong mga kamag-anak, punta sa Bicol. Alam niyo, naging busy that time. So, together with Mike Apus pa rin dyan in the Philippines. So, Section 7 nga pala po ako. Under Mrs. Camacho. Hello, ma'am. I miss you. Namimiss ko na rin po makita yung mga dati kong classmates. Sila Virginia. Si Virginia Abogado pa yun. Si Ninfa Garcines. Si Louie. Marami pang iba. Ang dami kong gustong ma-meet ulit, makita at yung mga iba ko pang friend. Siya nga po pala. Narito na po ako sa Canada. Dito na po ako naka-base together with my families. Alam niyo po, pag nasa Canada ka, hindi porkit nandito, walang ginagawa, busy. Busy po. Trabaho, pangkayod, kalabaw pa rin po kahit na may edad na. Siya nga pala po, sana maka-attend ako kasi nainggit ako sa inyo dyan Meron anniversary, may mga reunion, hindi ako nakaka-attend. So, itong anniversary natin, gusto kong umattend, pero hindi na po pwede kasi 3 months akong nawala dito sa Canada. Babay, baka matsugi na ako dito at hindi na ako makabalik sa aking trabaho. Pero sa susunod naman po, baka naman po merong next year, I hope na hindi magiging ang conflict sa aking schedule here sa Canada. Sana po maka-attend din ako someday because namimiss ko po kayong lahat. Gusto ko rin makita yung mga dati kong classmate na sana po, alam ko na kahit matanda na po tayo, alam ko magaganda at gwapo pa rin kayo. Sana po makita tayo at sana po makapag-join ako either anniversary or reunion natin someday. I love you all at mag-enjoy na lang po kayo dyan. Lalo na sa mga food. Alam ko ang daming pagkain ngayon dyan sa inyo. See you soon someday. I love you. Mwah. Bye.
Everyone, mga classmate and batchmate, kamusta na po kayong lahat dyan? And of course, to all our beloved teachers and principal, and to our beautiful teacher and advisor, Mrs. Emma Camacho Rintana. Hello po ma'am, kamusta na po kayo? I miss you. Anyway, mga batchmate, for those of you who didn't recognize me, I will introduce myself to you guys. Ako po si Maria Teresa Ragundias ng Section 7 Emerald. Ayan po, ako po yung younger sister ni Juanito and June Ragundias. And of course, magpinsan po kami ni Ricardo Ragundias ng Section 2 po yata siya. Ang gwapo at naughty boy ng GSIS. Ayan po. Okay mga batchmates, for you guys to know about me, I am now Mrs. Rigunan, married for 38 years to my my loving husband, Randy, and we reside here in America for 31 years, here in United States of Honolulu, Hawaii. Ayan. And we are blessed for having 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. My oldest one is 33 years old, and my second one is 30 years old, and my youngest one is 25 years old. And we are also blessed for having 3 grandchildren, and lola na po ako. Ayan, just about it. And for now, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for everyone for having us for your celebration for 45 years anniversary of the Class Batch 79 ng GSIS. Maraming salamat po for having us. At least kahit malayo kami, kasama rin kami sa celebration nyo. Ayan. So my wish for you guys, hope you guys enjoy your celebration and create good fun memories. And my prayer is lagi kayong healthy and safe dyan. So yun lang po. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat and God bless po sa inyo lahat, and congratulations for 45 years celebration of Batch 79, and we proud to be part of this celebration and the batchmate. I'm sorry. Ayan lang po. Sige na, kasi po nakakalito, nakaka-nervous. So, nandito po ako sa work ko. Okay, sige po. Bye! Aloha!
Happy 45th anniversary GSIS Village High School Batch 79. More power to you guys. Ingat palagi and God bless.
Yes, ayan. Happy 45th anniversary GSIS Village High School Batch 79. Ayan, happy anniversary and God bless.
Happy 45th anniversary GSIS Village High School Batch 79. More power, guys. Congratulations.